Hi, good afternoon. Welcome. I'm Jason from the ABCs of Personal Development, and today's lesson is daily actions. And it simply stated that whatever you do today matters. Now, John Maxwell written a book a few years ago. It simply said today's matter, and the thesis behind that was stating that sometimes people overestimate tomorrow and underestimate today. Which means that they always put things off at tomorrow and said tomorrow will be better. The things that they want to do, they're not going to do today because maybe the weather's not good or whatever. But however that goes for you, I want you to know this. Each and every day you wake up, there are only two things that you do, which means that your daily actions and activities really matter. Guys, just know that you're either repairing today for tomorrow, or you preparing today for tomorrow. Again, you either repairing your day for tomorrow or you preparing your day for tomorrow. So that's why it's so important to know that your actions, everything that you do on a daily basis, that really matters. So once again, it's really short, and remember, if you want to win next month, 6 months, 3 months from now, whatever is your goal and whatever it's designed to do, you have to win today. You have to take action today, because the only way this wheel get turning if you start today. All right. A wheel that is in motion, it can pick it up to 300-400 miles per hour. But a wheel that is stop, one little stone or one little pebble can actually be the big mountain in its way. All right, I hope you get that. But once again, I hope this message value to you. And those of you, if this has been a value to you and just say, aha, give you that moment, be sure to share it with someone else, because I'm sure someone else will want to hear this word of value. Once again, I'm Jason from the ABCs of Personal Development. Have a great day. Be blessed. Whatever you do, do it with good attitude. Love you to life.